Hey, what's up, you guys? So, in this video, I am going to show you how to tell if someone has Snapchat Plus. Now, this is going to be a quick run through, so let's start. Okay, now first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. And let's go to Friends by tapping on this icon right here. And let's try to tap on the search icon in here. Now, to tell if someone has Snapchat Plus, actually, you can see that there are people who has the star badge. So when we tap on this, for example, and we go to view profile, so if this user has this star badge over here, it means that they actually have Snapchat Plus. Alright, now that is how you tell if someone has Snapchat Plus. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you on the next one.